everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I've taken my annual trip to Spirit Halloween. The theme for this year is Welcome to the Carnival. You get it? The creepy horror carnival. So much fun, it's scary! So stay tuned. Welcome to the carnival. That looks like an awfully creepy carnival. Ooh. Oh no, look who's in the fun house! Woo! They must be having a lot of fun! I'm looking into my crystal ball. What will I see? Kyle said, "Make room for me. I want to see what my future brings."
To fill you up with fright. I'm a puppet who's trying to get unbound. If you're fast asleep, I'm gonna roll around. Think twice before you laugh at me, cause you'll be fuzzier hanging from these strings.
Ooh, look at those eyes. Those are scary looking. Woo! Oh my goodness, he's freaky looking. Woo! Oh my goodness.
No way you stop with this ring. I ask you to be mine.
It's a horn.
I will lift your sorrow. Your cup will never empty, for I will be your bride. We've added some new ingredients. I think you're gonna like it.
Oh my god. Oh, and there's blood on the knife. Oh! Look at how creepy that is. Oh, and what's that? A tongue sticking out? Oh my goodness. Ugh, yuckies. Who's that? Woo! I can't stop laughing because there are so many weirdos in this store, honestly. Somewhere over the rainbow.
Hi, sisters.
All I can say is there's a lot of weirdos in this store. There's one right over there. Oh my God! Call the cops!
Where's my
Diddy!
baby?
Diddy escaped! Diddy escaped from jail!
Where's my baby oil at?
He's in the store! Oh my God! Woo! Oh look, a whole wall of, well, I guess I could say pimp or Diddy costumes. Maybe we can send him a few in jail and he can change from his orange jumpsuit to his leopard coat. Oh my. Oh look, Biden came out of the basement. He's looking for ice cream. Woo, look at that witch. Woo, oh my. Oh my, what happened to his eye? Ooh. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. What is that? He has a stake through his head, and it's not an eating kind. And look at this skeleton over there. He's just hanging out. Hanging out. Looky, looky, looky. I found a friend to hang out with in the store. There's the rest of the gang trying on things. I gotta tell you, Kyle's cracking me up. It's Jenna, Scott, and Kyle. I always said Kyle was the jokester in the family. Look at Jenna and Kyle, a pineapple and banana. I thought this costume was pretty clever. A party pooper inflatable. Look at these crazy costumes. I mean, who would wear this? A condom inflatable? No glove? No love? Ay, ay, ay. Here's good old Chucky. That movie creeped me out. There were masks, and more masks. I had to do a voiceover because there was music in the background and I didn't want to get a copyright strike from YouTube. If you can't find a mask here, honestly, I'm not sure if you're going to find one anywhere. They had so many. There were walls and walls of just masks. It was actually a lot of these fun customers watching the customers in the store all try on the different kinds of masks. Too funny. Check these out. Woo! I wouldn't want to run into any of these guys in a dark alley. That's for sure. Woo! Look at this one. What's up? What's up? Check that tongue out. There's a chrome one. Ooh, creepy. And all the knives. Ooh, it's Friday the 13th. Ooh. Look at that machete. Ooh. Pennywise and the ghost face. And there is the leather face. Ooh. Lots of bones and skeletons of all sorts. Oh my goodness. What are these creepy crawlers? Yucko. Oh, look, a fish. And an octopus? Oh, and a turtle. Oh, look at those teeth. It's cute for the little girls, the little Minnie Mouse. and Mickey Mouse. Anybody interested in Beetlejuice? Beetlejuice that has a jacket, pants, and a tie. Ooh. That one has a shirt and glasses. Oh my God! Call the police! Diddy escaped.
Yo, where's my baby oil at, honey? Oh, here we go.
Oh my God! Call the cops! I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Spirit Halloween. We had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. And FYI, they are opening up Spirit Christmas in some areas now. So stay tuned. Love you all, and thanks for watching. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.